What up, world? It's PX9 Productions here, coming at you with a quick unboxing video of the retro Jordan 11 Jubilees. Finally one on the sneakers app for once. Very thankful for that. But yeah, I haven't posted a video in a while. Been working on a lot of content for you guys, so definitely have some upcoming. But for my sneakerheads here, just wanted to give a quick video because I know that the shoes are going to be releasing again in December. I luckily got early access, but yeah, just wanted to show you guys what they look like in real life. Hope you guys enjoy.